Before you start this, make sure that your oven is set to 170 Celsius. So, to get started, get yourself double cream and heat it up, but don't boil it like the panna cotta. In the meantime, you will want to separate the whites from the yolks. You can either do it with the shell or with your hands. I find it doing easier with my hands. It's up to you. Next up, weigh out about 50 grams of caster sugar. If you want it slightly sweeter, go for 70 grams. Once that's done, combine everything together in a mix and whisk it until the yolks turn pale. When the cream starts to bubble up, turn it down to low heat and put a tablespoon of vanilla extract into the pot. This will allow the vanilla to infuse with the cream. When the yolks have been whisked enough, it should look like this. When the cream is slightly bubbling and the yolks have turned pale, put everything together and combine it. For the next step, preferably you will want ramekins. What you are going to need is a couple of said ramekins in a baking tin. Now put the mix into a glass measuring cup or pour it from the pan. I find it less of a mess pouring it from the glass. Before pouring, boil a kettle of water. Once everything is more or less even, start pouring in the hot water into the tin. The hot water makes the baking slightly faster and even as well. When you put the brulees into the oven, make sure that no water gets into the actual ramekins, otherwise they will not come out right. Once the brulees have been in the oven for about 30 minutes, take them out and let them cool. When they are cooled off, stick them in the fridge, preferably overnight. This makes them more rigid. A good way to test whether the brulees are done or not is to shake them lightly. If they jiggle, they are ready. After the overnight nap in the fridge, take the brulees out and cover the top with caster sugar. Next, take a torch and torch the sugar to caramelize it and form a sugar crystal on top. And that's that. All that's left is to tap the dessert open. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe down below. And if you feel adventurous, throw in a comment. I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.